हेलो एवरीवन, सो ये सीरीज है अनबॉक्सिंग फ्रॉम माय बालकनी. Hello friends, so it's a very bright sunny day and I'm enjoying my balcony. Let me show you the view. So here I am finding my peace in the rhythm of the river and the company of ducks. Let's do some unboxing here. I just added this portable sewing machine to my DIY kit. It is fully rechargeable and has dual speed settings, which is a total game changer for precise edges or quick hems. The best part, it fits in one hand. I'm filming a separate review to see if it actually holds a stitch, so stay tuned.